everyone, my name is Nadine and welcome to my vlog. So today I'll be talking about something that affects civil engineering students like me every single day, and how technology and social media influence the way we learn and communicate, of course. As we all know, in civil engineering, communication is essential, right? Especially when sharing ideas, solving problems, and collaborating on projects. So in this vlog, I'll discuss how digital tools and online platforms shape our learning experience. And now let's proceed. So number one is technology makes learning easier and more visual. So as a civil engineering students, sobrang dami nating ginagamit na digital tools, right? Like AutoCAD, SketchUp, STAAD, and other simulation apps, diba? For me, mas maganda yon kasi hindi tayo umaasa sa palaging libro, ganun, which is minsan may need tayong dapat malaman pa, ganun. So, yan. And for us, mas nakikita natin in 3D, in motion, and mas nagiging klaro sa atin yung concept kapag may mga ganun tayong simulation apps, di ba? Number two is yung social media as learning space. For me lang, hindi lang pang entertainment ang social media ngayon. Ginagamit din natin siya para mag-share ng notes, maghanap ng tutorials, or magtanong sa mga classmates natin sa mga group chats, ganun. And ngayon is marami ring engineering content creators sa YouTube or TikTok na nagpapaliwanag ng mga structural concepts in a very simple way na minsan is doon ko pa mas lalong naiintindihan yung mga topics na medyo mahirap i-grasp during lecture. Number 3 is challenges and responsible use. So, yun, syempre, hindi lahat is perfect. Minsan may mga misinformation online, kaya kailangan nating i-double check kung credible ba yung mga sources na nasa search natin. And also, kailangan din natin i-manage yung mga screen time natin para hindi tayo ma-distract sa ibang bagay. So, yan, discipline pa rin talaga. And the last one is my personal insight. So, for me, malaking tulong talaga ang technology and social media sa pagiging CE student natin. Mas nagiging engaging yung learning natin and mas nagiging connected tayo sa mga classmates natin, di ba? So, yan, natutunan ko rin na kailangan talaga is balance sa paggamit ng mga technologies, ganon. Dapat gamitin natin sila as tools for learning and not for distraction. So, ayun. Technology and social media talagang binabago nila kung paano tayo nag-aaral at nagko-communicate bilang civil engineering students. Kung gagamitin natin ng tama, mas magiging madali, mabilis at interactive yung learnings natin. And yun lang. So, thank you for watching my vlog and sana may napulot kayong aral and see you next time.